This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.
Our border controls have been slammed in a report into how a kiwifruit killing bacteria reached New Zealand. The review into PSA found a number of major biosecurity shortcomings before the discovery of PSA in Te Puke. Heather Duplessis-Allen reports.
A government-ordered report into the disease killing these kiwifruit leaves still hasn't pinpointed how it got here, but it has revealed some astounding border control failures.
There were process failures here and the systems need to be improved. So, we clearly can do better, and there are some things we need to improve on.
It's widely suspected PSA came from China before breaking out in Te Puke in late 2010. The report reveals that in the lead-up, Border Control accidentally allowed in parts of kiwifruit plants from China, and they went to Te Puke. What's more, MAF failed to police imports of kiwifruit pollen properly. They didn't think pollen could carry PSA. Meanwhile, government officials at another agency, Plant and Food, did know pollen could carry PSA, but didn't tell anyone because they didn't know pollen was being imported.
Well, I can see we can do better. We can improve the processes. We've already taken action in response to this report.
One of the scientists researching PSA says he's surprised plant material slipped in.
It shouldn't have got through our border control, and the importers, on realising what they'd got, should have either returned it to MAF or incinerated it.
Kiwifruit Growers Incorporated says it's so concerned about the findings of this report that it's planning to seek legal advice about whether or not to take any further action. Ministry of Primary Industries officials are keen to point out that these border control failings didn't necessarily allow PSA in, but this report certainly doesn't rule that out either. Heather Duplessis-Allen, One News.
This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.